Welcome to DAV Mall Public School Sita Savangi in our e-learning classes. Dear students, I am your mathematics teacher Mrs. Rajni Sayed. Today in 5th standard we will see multiplication of and division of decimal numbers. In this we will see just the multiplication. We know the multiplication of numbers. Now we will see how to multiply decimal number. Okay, now dear students, what we do? We just simply multiply the numbers and we place decimal according to their digit after decimal. Now 0.4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, now after decimal we are having one digit. So from the right we will place decimal after one digit. So decimal will be after 2. Let's see one more example. Here 0.006 into 12, we will simply multiply 6 12s are 72, and after decimal we are having 3 digit, so we will place decimal after 3 digit from the right. So what we will do? We are having only 2 digit, so for the third digit what we do? We will place 0 over there and we will write the decimal after 3 digit. Okay dear students, understood this? Let's see one more example. This is given and you have to write the multiplication of this. Means here we are having, after decimal we are having one digit. So from the right we will place decimal after one digit. So here we will have the decimal. And since after decimal we are having 0, we can simply write the numbers. Then in here we are having 2 digit after decimal. So we will place decimal after 2 digit from the right. Means 0, 7. After this 7 will place the decimal. Okay dear students, here we will place a decimal from the right hand side. Okay, now 3 digit after decimal, so third digit from the right is 0, 7, 7. So after 7 we will place a decimal. Then you tell me, after how many digit? 4. Means before 6 will place a decimal. Then 5 digits are there after decimal, so here after 7. But after decimal here from the right hand side we don't have any digits, so we will place 0 over there. Understood dear students? Let's see now multiplication of two decimal numbers. In this also what we do? We just multiply the numbers first and we count the digit after decimal and we place the decimals. Now 5 9s are 45. Here in the first number we have one digit after decimal and second one digit. 1 plus 1 2. So we will place decimal after 2 digit from the right. But here we are having only 2 digit 4 and 5. So we will place 0 before that. So 0.45 is your answer. Let's see one more example. See dear student, here we are having 25.32 into 2.2. Okay, so if we multiply that simply we get the answer 4704. Now in the first multiply we have 2 digit and the second one 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will place decimal after 3 digit from the right. So third digit is 407. So after 7 we will place a decimal. Okay dear student, understood this? Let's see multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. In this what we do? We shift the decimal to the right. Here we were shifting decimal to the left. Now here in place of 10, 100 and 1000 we will place a decimal to the right as the number of zeros. Here we are having 10. So decimal will place after one digit, that is after 4. Okay, we can write this as 234.5. Then after 2 digit means after 5 decimal will come. Then after 3 digit means, but we don't have third digit after decimal, so we will take 0 over there and we will place decimal after that 0. Understood dear students? Okay. And here this extra 0 which we are looking, that is the correct answer after multiplying that simply. Okay, and this placing decimal is a trick. Fine. Let's see one more example of this. You have to find the product orally. 5 tens, a decimal shift after 1 digit, that is 5. Okay. Then again after 1 digit means after 3. Understood? Here again we multiplied by 10. So after 1 digit, that is after 8. Then 1 digit, that is decimal will be after 1 digit means after 5. Then by 100 means we have to shift decimal to the 2 places to the right. So 2 digit, after 2 digit means after 2. Understood? Here again 2 digit, here again after 2. Okay, but we don't have any digit after decimal, so we place 0 over there. Then after 2 digit, again after 2 and we place 0 after decimals. Then after 3 digit, after 1 and we'll place 0 over there. Then here we are having only 2 digit and we have to place decimal after 3 digits. So what we'll do? We'll place 0 over there. So decimal will be after 0. Okay. Understood, dear students? 0.1 into 100. So that will be after 2 digit. But we have only 1 digit after decimal. So we'll take 0 over there. Okay. So answer will be 10. Now let's see properties of multiplication of decimal numbers. 5.8 into 6 is equals to dash into 5.8. Yes. What will be the answer? 6. Because if you multiply the same numbers, product of 3 into 4 is equals to 4 into 3. So 6. Second, if you multiply any number by 0, answer is 0. Now this is commutative property. 9.3 into first will be 3.4 and here what will have? 9.3. Then 13.26 into dash equals to 13.26 means if we multiply our same number by 1, we get the number itself. So here answer will be 1. Then again the same thing, so answer will be 1. What will be the answer over here, you tell me? If you multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. So answer will be 14.7. Then yes, 15.5 and here 1.8. Then 0. Fine. If you multiply by 0, we get the 0 itself. Okay, dear students, understood? This is your assignment. This you have to do in your notebook. Okay, simply you have to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. You will place the decimal to the right as a number of zeros. Second assignment is this. Again, you have to multiply this. This is simple. Okay, you will do this in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.